guys, so it's been like, I don't know, forever. It's mostly due to the fact that I'm like semi-handicapped. I don't know, I've had a bad back for a while, and I'm only now like, yeah, I'm recovering, but like, I don't know, I'm feeling okay. So now that I'm feeling okay, I'm going to be installing some reflector LEDs on the Subaru today. Ah, look at all those bees. Can you guys see that? Can you guys see all the little tiny bees flying around? Or are they? They're not little, they're big. They're like honeybees, I guess? I don't know, bumblebees. They haven't stung me, they don't bother me. But damn, there's so many of them. And hopefully it'll be something entertaining. And again, I'm sorry for taking so long to upload stuff. I suck. Oh, I dyed my hair blue, because why the fuck not? Oh shit, now I gotta fucking like tripod's a mess.
Giving me life, giving me all of you. Oh, it's true.
I'll find the like me the wiring harness like diagram on the internet. So I just simply looked here on the taillight to see what's the turn signal. The running brake light ground is obvious, it's black, and I just saw where it is on the harness, came over and put my female connectors over here. Now time to go underneath the car, take out the old reflector, and run wiring. It was like the simplest thing in the world. It was literally just like 2 clips holding it in, and it's like the same thing with this one. What I'm going to do, because dummy me pre-wired everything, is going to run the wires through these little holes right there. But because I already put the male connectors on, I'm going to hopefully try and squeeze them into this rectangular hole. I don't see why it won't work. It's pretty much just got a hole. And then after that, I got to run it all the way up to there. I'm breaking my flip-flops. This is why I should just wear shoes in the summer. But it's too damn hot. So push what the hell, a hanger down in there just to pull up all the wires. Look at that, it's magic. Yeah. Is it what?
Light up brighter.
Are the brakes on?
Not yet. Oh, my lights on. Right now.
Uh-huh.
How many to get brighter? Ready?
No. No. Yeah, they're indicated.